Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a screenshot into your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab and then select where it says Screenshot, select Screen Clipping, and then you can go about screen snipping or screen clipping your screen, and then it should automatically save and transfer it over to the PowerPoint presentation. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.